Hello friends, my name is Anshul and you are watching our channel The Insight Coders. So this video is regarding the projects that we generally created during our college time in the industrial area and in all the sectors of IT. So we see what else we do a part of the YouTube videos. So part of the YouTube videos we also offer some offline and online courses that are being provided over some languages, the subjects, the projects that we need, and most importantly the placement preparation stuff. So here you can see what all languages are being provided in the courses, what all subjects of computer science, IT, BCA computer science, BSc computer science are being provided. There are few project tech stacks like artificial intelligence, desktop-based application, web-based application, game development and other stuff. And for placement, there is a full-fledged course for placement where you will be learning how to create your resume and your introduction. A part of that, the technical HR and the behavioral questions for the placement preparation. And if we talk about the projects, so these are few projects that I was talking about, and if you guys are interested to look into the projects, this playlist is just for the same as only. So we'll be looking into some features of PyGames for the game development projects, and for other stuff, let's see what exactly it is. And if you guys are interested to enroll in such projects, to learn how to create such projects, and for summer training in your college life or anything, there would be a link given in the description. In that specific link, you just have to go and enroll yourself and you will get enrolled. We'll just reach back to you. If you want to reach us in the another way, the other way is to reach out to us in the Instagram handles. Again, the username is given in the comment box in the description itself. Please feel free to reach out to us. Apart of that, let's don't waste much time, and without any further ado, let's get started with the project. So this video is regarding the Space War game, and this game is a very simple and interesting game. So here this game is actually saying that would be a spaceship and there would be some falling objects like meteors, asteroids, some UFOs and many other things. So the thing is, you just have to hit those falling objects so as to save your spaceship. So let's see what exactly the project is without doing any further ado. So let's get started. So you can see this game would be divided into two parts. One would be the level 1 and another would be the level 2. Let's get started with the highest level, the advanced one, which is a better version. Let's see what exactly it is. So you can see the spaceship, there are some falling objects as I was mentioning, and you can see these falling objects have just hit them for us to save yourself. Here it is. Now we'll start with the first level. So let me come back again. I mentioned the second level was the advanced level, and here we have seen there were some rotating objects coming in the random order. It was completely difficult and a real life project. Initial one is also a real life project, but it would be a little simpler, little easy to play. There would be some sort of sequential order or something sort of like that in which the objects will be falling over us. Let's get started and let's see how exactly the level 1 goes. So for beginners, there are some instructions as we have seen. Let's get started. So here you can see the coming sequential order. You just have to hit them to escalate order. Otherwise over. So these were the projects. This project was being created using the PyCharm and Python and using the PyGames library. So there we have some pre-built functions. On the top of those functions, you have to understand that you have to create your own game and you have to use those basic functions over into your project, like how the arrow key is being accessed, how to provide some method over it, and all those things are being covered in that specific course. If you guys are interested to get yourself enrolled in such courses and learn such courses, so our organization also provides some online and offline trainings for the same. Now the point becomes how to apply for it, right? So I already mentioned the step is pretty simple. You have to go in the comment section, look over there. You can see there would be a one link provided. Just get yourself enrolled over there, what you are interested to learn, and we'll reach back to you. And other option is pretty simple. You can reach out to us on our Instagram handle. The link is again given in the description. So this was all about this video. Thank you so much for looking into it. And if you have any suggestions, any doubts, please feel free to reach out in the comment section. Thank you so much.